Hi everybody, welcome again to Champion Trading Corp. What we have powered up here today, this is the Tri-Pac MSA 180. We're operating on 223 phase voltage. For those of you who know these machines, this is a really fantastic sleever or neck bander. Can reach speeds, according to the manufacturer, at least up to 200 a minute. We have it powered up right now. We can do, just by hitting one cycle, advance it. We're going to give you a look under there and show you that to you. It's got a really impressive cutting device in it. This is one of our favorite little sleevers. We have lots of process and packaging equipment in our stock, so we do hope you'll visit our website at www.champtrading.com, and we look forward to hearing from you. Thanks for joining us for this video today. Hope to see you soon.